Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the door handle on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new door handle for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you can't remove it with your fingers, you may need to use pliers to help to grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx Bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note that when doing so for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. Then, gently pull the wires, disconnecting the door switch. Next, remove the two electrical connectors connecting the dispenser by depressing the locking tabs and gently pulling the wires. Then, pull back the tape on the inner door panel and remove the wires. Set the inner door panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Using a T20 Torx Bit, remove the two screws holding the door handle in place and set aside the door holder bolts for installing the new door handle. If you need to purchase a new door handle, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the new door handle to the front of the outer door panel. Then, install one of the screws through one of the holder bolts and screw the dishwasher's door handle to the outer door panel. Repeat with the other side. Now, align the inner door panel to the tub of the dishwasher. Next, install both electrical connectors to the dispenser. Then, reconnect the door switch. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set in place. Reinstall the screws in the door. Note that the 4 long screws go in the top middle 4 slots. Align the vent cover to the slot, then screw it in. Then close the dishwasher's door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.